Hey superstars! Welcome back to GoodNewsAi. I'm Max, and today we're celebrating some incredible kids just like you. These young tech wizards are doing amazing things with science, coding, and AI to change the world. Ready to meet them and learn how you can be a science hero too? Let's go! First up, let me introduce you to an absolutely amazing teenager named Jasmine Eyal from Singapore. She just won the biggest science video competition in the world and earned a $250,000 college scholarship. Here's what makes Jasmine's story so special. She was worried about her grandmother Popo, who has type 1 diabetes. Instead of just feeling sad, Jasmine decided to become a science detective and learn about a super cool technology called mechanogenetic cellular engineering. Jasmine made a video explaining how this amazing technology could help treat diseases like diabetes by basically teaching our body's cells to work better. And guess what? Her grandmother even starred in the video with her. The coolest part? This was Jasmine's second time entering the competition. She didn't give up when she didn't win the first time. She kept learning, kept creating, and look what happened. She showed that when kids are curious and persistent, they can literally change the world. But Jasmine isn't the only young tech superstar out there. All around the world, kids are learning incredible skills that are preparing them to be the innovators of tomorrow. Kids as young as 7 years old are learning to code with fun programs like Scratch and Tynker, where they can create their own video games, mobile apps, and even websites. It's like having superpowers. You can build anything you can imagine. And here's something really exciting. Kids are now learning about artificial intelligence. Programs like CodaKid and Littlelit AI are teaching children how to create their own AI projects, make custom memes with AI tools, and even build AI-powered videos. The best part? You don't need to be a computer genius to start. These programs make learning tech skills as fun as playing games. Kids are building robots, designing apps to help people, and solving real problems with technology. So how can you join these amazing young innovators? It's easier than you think. First, stay curious. Ask questions about how things work, just like Jasmine did about her grandmother's condition. Second, start with fun, free coding websites like code.org or Scratch. They make learning feel like playing awesome games. Third, don't be afraid to try new things. Whether it's building your first robot, creating a simple app, or making an AI-powered project, every expert was once a beginner. Remember, you don't need to solve huge problems right away. Start small, keep learning, and who knows? Maybe next year, we'll be featuring your amazing invention on GoodNewsAi. From Jasmine winning $250,000 for her science video to kids around the world mastering coding and AI, the future is being built by young innovators just like you. These stories prove that age is just a number when it comes to changing the world with technology. Keep dreaming, keep creating, and keep being awesome. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and start your own tech adventure today. See you next time, future innovators.